welcome back to MDC Technology Central. Some of you in the comments of my video training HomeLink buttons in the Honda Pilot wanted me to demonstrate how to do this in other cars. You asked and I delivered. Today I'll be showing you how you can train the HomeLink garage buttons inside your Hyundai Santa Fe. Before we get started, make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on notifications with the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. Let's get started. First, you'll need to grab your remote control garage transmitter. Next, in your car, press and hold the two outside buttons until the light begins to flash, then release the buttons. Next, bring your transmitter close to the buttons. Press and hold the button you want to program while also pressing the button on your transmitter. Once the light starts blinking slowly, then rapidly, you are done. You may have to press the button on your transmitter twice in order for the light to start blinking rapidly. Release both buttons. Once programming is done, go ahead and give it a test by pressing your button. I need your help to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of June, so please make sure you're subscribed to my channel to help me reach my goal. Leave a comment or any questions you may have down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.